Hello guys, in this video I will address how to do an updation for the drone, for the firmware. So firstly, still the same, connect the flying controller through a USB cable to your PC and pull the battery in. And the next step, you will see the drone is appear as a USB storage space, and you open this storage space and you can find the device ID. It's a text file, a device ID file. In this ID file, you will find a number in it. So what you want to do is you prepare the firmware that our after-sales service people giving to you. Usually it's a ostend.bin, this file, and usually the file will with a device ID file as well. And next step, you want to compare these two ID. If that's any different, make sure these two ID file is the same. If you compare the device ID file, the text file, and the ID is similar, it's completely the same, and now you can do the updation. So you copy the OST10, the file, to the inside the drone, and copy in and close it, and just unplug the drone from the PC, and reconnect the battery of the drone, and the drone will automatically start to do the updation. So that's the process for how to do a firmware update for Eagle Brother drone. I will telling you more technical stuff in the next video. So thank you for your watching.